Hello friends, in this video lecture we will study about the discovery of cell, how the cell was discovered. So it is in the topic is cell discovery. In the year 1665, Robert Hooke, an English scientist, Robert Hooke took a thin slice of cork, took a thin slice of cork from the plant oak tree. The botanical name of this tree is Quercus suber. So he took a thin slice of cork. The cork is the dead portion. It is the dead part of the plant. He examined this slice of cork under his self-designed microscope. Self-designed microscope. What he observed? He noticed that he observed the cork was made of many little compartments. What he observed? He saw many little compartments. So the structure, I am drawing the structure. So in my microscope, he found the structure like this. He saw many empty spaces bounded by cell wall. So these are the dead cells. These are the dead cells, and these cells have only cell wall. This is hollow space. Hollow space. It has only cell wall. It has no nucleus. The cell discovered by Robert Hooke was a dead cell, and this cell has only cell wall, but it has no nucleus. Because the dead cells has no protoplasm, so there is no nucleus. He named this little compartment as cell. Why he named it as cell? Named this little compartment, this small compartment as cell, because this little compartment, the little compartment in Latin term called cellula. Cellula. Little compartment in Latin called cellula. From the term cellula, cell, the term cell was derived. So Robert Hooke was the first to coin the term cell. So in this way, the first cell was discovered, and it was dead cell and discovered by Robert Hooke in the year 1665. So in 1674, a Dutch merchant, Dutch scientist, now we call him as the father of microbiology, the most popular, the Antony von Leeuwenhoek. Antony von Leeuwenhoek. Leeuwenhoek. He discovered the living cell. Living cell. So who first discovered the living cell? Antony von Leeuwenhoek in the year 1674. So what type of cell he discovered? He discovered bacteria. We know bacteria was discovered by Antony von Leeuwenhoek. He is known as father of microbiology. Bacteria, RBC, sperm cells, protozoa. So this different type of cells was discovered by Antony von Leeuwenhoek. So in the year 1674, A.V. Leeuwenhoek first discovered the living cells like bacteria, RBC, sperm cell, protozoa, etc. Now I mention one or two other names. One is J.E. Perkins. J.E. Perkins, who coined the term cytoplasm. who coined the term protoplasm. We know the protoplasm is the physical basis of life. Physical basis of life. Basis of life. And this protoplasm, we know this is the living portion of the cell. And another botanist, Robert Brown discovered nucleus in the root cells of orchids. A group of flowering plant orchids. In the root cells, he discovered the nucleus. So this is the discovery of cell in the year 1665. In 1674, there was major discovery. One discovered the dead cells. He was the first to discover any cell. And in 1674, Antony von Leeuwenhoek first discovered the living cell. So this is the discovery of cell. I hope this video will be understood by all. If you like the video, must subscribe my channel. Thank you.